now includes the following counties: Butler, Chase, Harvey, Kimberly, Marion, Bickford.
All right, tornado warning for Reno County, southwestern Reno County. So, southwestern Reno County, tornado warning.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Reno County.
Southwestern Reno County.
At 12:42 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Turon, 47 miles southeast of Yala, moving east at 45 miles per hour. You can expect tornado and quarter-size hail.
Oh,
The warning
man.
was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Arlington around 12:55 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Langdon.
Oh,
Take
boy.
cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Oh, wow.